Wizards! Welcome back to my online tutorial. It's me again, Teacher Kriss, and I will be your teacher for today. So, are you ready to learn math today? If yes, come and join me in today's lesson. But before we start our new lesson for today, let's have a quick review on our previous lesson. On our previous lesson, we have learned the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Is 1984 divisible by 2? The answer is yes, because the last digit is an even number, which is divisible by 2. If you already mastered our previous lesson, let us begin our today's lesson. Let us now discuss the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. Okay, let us begin with the divisibility rules for 3. How are we going to know if a whole number is divisible by 3 or has a factor of 3? A whole number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by or multiple of 3. But wait, what do we mean by sum? Sum is the answer in addition, meaning to say we're going to use addition to find out if a number is divisible by 3. How about multiple of 3? When we say multiple of 3, it is composed of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on and so forth. Or skip counting, starting by 3, those are composed of multiples of 3. For example, 39 is divisible by 3 because when we add 3 plus 9, it is equal to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. Therefore, 3 is a factor of 39. And now, get your paper and pen. I want you to answer if the following number is divisible by 3. So, are you ready? If yes, your timer starts now. 342 divisible by 3. What is the correct answer? Correct! 342 is divisible by 3 because when we add 3 plus 4 plus 2, we got the answer 9. Then 9 divided by 3, we got the answer 3. Therefore, 3 is a factor of 342. Is 546 divisible by 3? So what is the correct answer? Correct! 546 is divisible by 3 because when we add 5 plus 4 plus 6, the answer is 15. Then 15 divided by 3, the answer is 5. Therefore, 3 is a factor of 546. What about the divisibility rules for 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it is both divisible by 2 and 3. For example, 60 is divisible by 2 because if you can still remember on our previous lesson, if the last digit is 0, an even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. And also, 60 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits is 6. When we add 6 plus 0, we got the answer 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. So, 60 is divisible by 6. Therefore, 6 is a factor of 60. So kids, is 96 divisible by 6? Again, Alright, 96 is divisible by 6 because it is both divisible by 2 and 3. 96 is divisible by 2 because it ends in 6 and 6 is an even number which is divisible by 2. 96 is also divisible by 3 because when we get the sum of its digits, which is 9 plus 6, we got the answer of 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 96 is divisible by 6. And now, get your pen and paper. In 1 minute, I want you to answer if the following number is divisible by 6. So, are you ready? If yes, your timer starts now.
Is 126 divisible by 6? What is the correct answer? Alright, 126 is divisible by 6. Let's check why. Is 126 divisible by 3? 126 can be divided by 2 as the ones digit or the last digit is 6, which is even number, and all even numbers can be divided into 2. Is 126 divisible by 6? What is the correct answer? Since 6 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. And for rule number 3, since the sum is 9, it is divisible by 3. For rule number 6, since 126 is divisible by 2 and 3, therefore, it is divisible by 6.
Let us proceed to the divisibility rules for 9. We will know if a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible or multiple of 9. So what is the example of multiple of 9? 27 is divisible by 9 because when we add 2 plus 7, we got the answer 9. And 9 is obviously divisible by 9. Therefore, 9 is a factor of 27. And now, get your paper and pen. In 1 minute, I want you to answer the following number if it is divisible by 9. So, are you ready? If yes, your timer starts now.
173 divisible by 9? So what is the correct answer? Correct! 873 is divisible by 9. Let's add the following. 8 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2.
Now you know the process of divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. Always remember that you can always watch again this video for the enhancement of your learning. That's all for today. I hope you learned a lot on our today's lesson. Once again, I am Teacher Kriss saying that learning math is fun. See you on our next video. Bye!